What's up, YouTube fam? Got something in the mail. Let's open it. Alright, so I got this in the mail. I already opened it to make sure it was what I thought it was. But let's see what it is. Boom. Happy to announce that I'm working with NOVSIGHT Headlight company. They sent me this to review and install. Let's see what the unboxing is about. They reached out to me. I picked this out from their site. As you can see, I got the NOVSIGHT H13 LED light bulbs with this serial number. All that good info. You want to pause the screen and scan your phone. These are specifically for my truck. Pretty nice packaging. It's not cheap packaging. Let's see. Other coupons, basic stuff. Installation manual. Should I use this? Maybe, maybe not. Alright, ooh. Look at this. Light up your way home. NOVSIGHT auto lighting. Little freebies like this are always a plus, in my opinion. Let's see what else is in the box. Ooh. Would you look at that? I guess I got a new sticker to put on the truck. Definitely like the sticker. Just a sticker was worth it. Alright, so we got the sticker, the keychain, the installation manual. Nice packaging. Alright. Let's see. Good packaging. Good packaging. Comes with a lot of protective stuff. Initial feel. Steel, it's not plastic. Yeah, it's not plastic, that's steel or metal. Quality stuff. And voila. I still currently have the stock bulbs on my truck. I've got chip with this too. That looks like it's some quality stuff, man. I'm assuming the other packaging is exactly the same. Let's see. Yep, exactly the same. Two of them, one for the driver's side, one for the passenger side. I currently do have my stock bulbs, so come on, Chip. I came to the creek today to record this video. There wasn't no water running through, but I still got my stock bulbs, so I'll definitely be replacing these, or my stock, and upgrading to these. And I'm gonna give you a before and after. Yeah, and I'll give you my honest review on these, if I like them or don't like them, after I install them. Alright, let's install this sticker. Oh, so much unexpected noise, but it is what it is. We won't be here too much longer. So there we go. Cue the installation video. So to do the headlights, you're gonna need a body clip remover, preferably, or not, a long flathead screwdriver would work. 10 millimeter ratchet with extension. You gotta take the whole front bumper off, or the cover off. And my panel clip removers don't seem like they're gonna work. Maybe you gotta finagle with them. So the first part for a 2017 to 2020 F250, I think, and F350, you gotta remove these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 total clips. So let's see how that goes. So as I'm counting them, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 regular short ones and 1 long one that we took from there. And then the next step is to remove this beauty cover off however you can. And then we got, take the grill off, the actual grill. You need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do those. Per my online expert YouTube and Google research, we just pull this back. There's clips here that will just snap off, and there's some clips at the bottom that with that longer screwdriver definitely help you remove. So yeah. You'll have to push these in. This tab. Right here. Yeah, that came out. And that end. Same on this end. Pushing that little crevice, that hole right here. Alright, that figured up. That should be pulled off now. I had to play with it a little bit down there. That's what she said. Oh no, there's 4 of these down here. Oops. there. I thought it was only 2. There we go. It's never as easy or straightforward as you see on the onlines, isn't it, ladies and gents? I think one of those little red clips broke off, but we'll be fine. So now, boom, came off. There's 4 10mm bolts on each headlight. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there, that one. So let's do this thing. Alright. We are concerned about this one, the headlight, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's a headlight. And that comes off. It twists off. I think. Let me double check the internets real quick. Alright, pull it off. You pull up on that little thing. I broke the one up on the bowl, but shouldn't be too much of an issue now. It's just seeing is on there. Doesn't want to. I had to put a little bit more force into it, but I just grabbed it like this. That was on there. That's a stock. Aftermarket, baby. Gotta take this gasket off, because the new ones do come with a gasket. Make sure you take that gasket off. Gotta line up these little things. And voila. That's it. I'll do the same thing to the other side. Oh, you push it down, you press it down, then you slide it back. I'm not the smartest or the brightest person when it comes to doing some things. Ta-da! Everything's back together. That was a lot more. It wasn't bad, it's just the biggest hurdle was twisting them off, the stock lights, because that plastic was on there tight. Either that, it was on there really tight, or I'm really weak. Could be a combination of the both. I haven't eaten spinach in a while. Perp. Yes, that's it. Looks good. It's not the best look with the white on top, but we'll see how it looks at night. Of course, you're gonna drive with the bottom ones on. So we will see. So we have the NOVSIGHT LEDs on top, the stock halogens on the bottom. Huge difference. A lot more light coming from the LEDs. Looking at the front of the truck, of course, huge difference again because of their LEDs versus halogens. Huge difference. And of course, me, Homer from Homer's Pullout Game. Like, comment, and subscribe. Me on top, coming in a lot more clearer. Not the hugest difference was me standing in front. You could see me clearly in both. But of course, look at the difference while we're driving. Huge difference. A lot better driving experience with the NOV LED headlights. Awesome product. So my review and rating of the NOV LED headlights that I installed: solid product. 2 thumbs up. They perform exactly as advertised. Pretty straightforward installation. Quality construction, seem to be durable. Any updates or issues that I have in the future on them, I'll for sure let you know. Any product that I do promote on my channel, I will only talk about them if I like them, if I think they're a solid product. I'll give you a long-term update later in the future to see how they're performing or if they stop performing. But as of now, great product. Nothing negative to say about the company and the product they got to sell. So if you're interested in some aftermarket LED headlights, click on the link below. Use my coupon code PULLOUT, PULLOUT, in all caps, for 25% off. Even cheaper than you can get them anywhere else online. Like I said, great product. The link is below to the NOVSIGHT, and again, that coupon code is PULLOUT, PULLOUT. It helps the channel grow.